Hey foodies and corders, ever wonder what it feels like to pick up the perfect dishes while staying on a budget? Well, in this video, we are diving into a delicious DSA problem called 2 dishes. Let's spice up our coding skills with this restaurant themed challenge. Ready to dig in? Let's go. Here's the scenario. You are at a fancy restaurant with an array of dishes, and each dish comes with a specific price. You have got a fixed budget to spend, and your job is to find 2 dishes whose combined price equals to your budget. And also, you need to return the positions of these dishes in lexicographical order. So, in this case, you have got 2 solutions, 0th and the 3rd index, and 1st and 2nd index. And we will return the 0th and the 3rd index as our answer, as these are the lexicographically smaller than 1st and 2nd. Now to find the solution, what we will do is to create a map which will store the dish value as a key and its index as a value. So we will create a map over here. In this map, key would be the dish value. So 50, 100, 250 and 300. And the value would be the index. So the 0th, 1st, 2nd and 3rd. But the dish value can be same. So there could be multiple dishes with the same price at different indices. So to store this result, we always store the list of indices instead of index. So let's say there is another dish over here and whose price is 50. So for this particular dish, we will store this indices over here. So this 4th value. So for this 50th as a key, there would be a list of indices. Now in order to find the lexicographically smaller, we will iterate over the array starting from the 0th index. At every index, we assume we pick this dish. And after that, we try to find another dish from the remaining array whose value should be budget minus current dish value, that would be 300. And if there are multiple values, then we will pick up the least index. Now, there could be another case where you are at current index whose value is x and your budget minus current price is also x. Suppose your budget is 100 and you are at 0th index. Then current dish price, that is 50, and the budget minus current dish price, which is 100 minus 50 equal to 50. Then in that case, you will check the size of the array of 50 dish that is stored in the map. That is this particular place. And if the size of the array is greater than 1, then yes, we have got the answer. Otherwise, we will move forward. Now let's do some coding. So first of all, we will import some libraries. We will import the map and vector both. The return type of our solution would be vector. And the parameters it contain would be the prices of the dishes and the budget. So first of all, we will create our map whose key would be int and the value would be vector of int. We will iterate over our dish price array. And we will populate our map. After that, we will iterate over dish price array again. And because we wanted to find the lexicographically smallest array, so we will start from the 0th index. So at a current index, our current dish price would be dish price of ith. So the remaining dish price would be budget minus current dish price. So there would be 2 cases. If remaining dish price is equals to current dish price and map of current dish price dot size is greater than 1, then we got the answer. So in that case, our answer would be I comma MP of current dish price first index, because at the 0th index, the current dish price index is present. Otherwise, if there is an entry of remaining dish price in the remaining map, then also we got the answer. So in that case, we will return I comma mp of remaining dish price ith index, sorry, 0th index. And after iterating over the array, if we didn't get the answer, then we will return the empty array. So let's run this particular solution. Okay, so there is an error over here. It's working fine over our sample test cases. So let's submit it. So yeah, it's working fine. So basically the problem we discussed today is a simple one, but it ties into the bigger picture of the projects that I am currently working on. The first project is all about personalized practice platform, helping users solve problems on DSA and core subjects, analyze their mistakes, and improve faster with a structured study plan. And the second project is focused on empowering teachers, providing tools to create customized teaching objects and materials to simplify and enhance the teaching process. I am super excited to share more updates with you as these projects progress. Making this platform scalable and production ready will take time, but I will keep you engaged with small focus videos as I roll out new features along the way. If you are as excited as I am about this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Your feedback and suggestions are incredibly valuable, so be sure to share them in the comments below. Together, let's create something that makes a real difference. See you in the next video.